Okay guys, well, we're headed out for day 2 of the Maker Faire here in Wichita. Sorry that the lighting isn't brighter. I'm heading west, so the lighting isn't very good. But in any case, we are heading out for day number 2. Day number 1 was pretty good. Had a lot of people. Oops, sorry, there was a lot of wind noise. My bad. We had the lots and lots of students yesterday, which was fantastic. A lot of kids. It was a lot of fun. They all really enjoyed the Piecade and the Stormbreaker and the Infinity Gauntlet. That was probably the highlight of it. So we'll see how it goes today. We should probably get a lot more families today, considering that it is on the weekend now. So we have Saturday today. So it's the 27th of April. So we'll be checking that out. I'll probably get there, run through, grab some coffee, because I need coffee, because it's early in the morning. Well, it's not real early. I slept in a little bit since I didn't have much to set up. So it's only about 9 o'clock right now. Well, it'll be 9 o'clock when I get there, so not real early, but still, it's early in the morning, and I need coffee. I don't wake up. My brain doesn't turn on until about 10 o'clock. So anyway, all right, guys, so I am on the road. I will be there here in a little bit. Hope you enjoyed the video from yesterday. I'll be posting all this for today, hopefully later on this afternoon, probably this evening, because it gets over at 5. So definitely come check me out next year. I'll be doing it next year as well. Wow, the light just got really bright. Woo! The auto white balance is getting crazy on this camera. I'll get used to this camera here before too long. But anyway, guys, take care, and I'll see you in just a minute. Okay, so we're here. We're on the river. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can film it for you. There's the river. And there's the keeper of the plains. That's right. Pretty cool. So I'm gonna step into the light now, probably get washed out. But we're gonna head up in there. I'm gonna get my, whatever it is, my badge thing, because they took it from me last time. And then we'll walk on up in there. So see you in there. Okay, so we got the badge and got the meal tickets. That's the important one. So we're now gonna wander back on through here. So we'll pop out into the main room here. Ooh, it's bright. And I think everybody's here. So I know that guy. Excellent on phone. guys, well, it's been a busy day today. Things are going good. It's about 3 o'clock. The sun's coming in right about eye level. But things have been going good. 3D prints have been holding up. I'll show you what I've been doing. So I've been getting these little guys all 3D printed. I kind of like this one. This one came out pretty good. It's like a little glass with the clear acrylic. Got the Pikachu going right here, as well as some of the other stuff. So the arcade's been fun. However, the mirror doesn't work very well because of the sun coming in, so we may have to change locations next year. But everything's been going good. Got steady flow of people coming through, checking things out. Sorry about the sun. The sun is very bright through these windows, but it's all pretty cool, guys. I'm going to continue on. Okay, well, that's it for this year. Got everything cleaning up, so we're all packing up. Oh my gosh, the sun's right in my face. So that was another success. So I'm gonna get my stuff put onto a cart and get out of here. But before I do, I wanna show you guys some other stuff about Exploration Place while I'm here. So they have like an entire castle that's like built indoors here. All kinds of cool stuff. So that's another reason why you should come out here. Everything is like hands-on. You can mess with pretty much everything in this museum. So you know how most museums tell you not to touch anything? Well, this one says please touch everything. It's pretty awesome. Here's a little kids corner where you can lock your kids, put your kids in here. And there's all kinds of little toys and whatnot to play with. They also have different exhibits that are traveling exhibits. Right now they're doing the top secret exhibit, and they have basically all kinds of different things for like, decoding messages or different things like that. So like, here's different spy gear, but it's all really cool. So here's this wide room. Everything is to theme with that top secret stuff that's going on. So here it looks like we have like safe cracking. So you can learn how to crack a safe. And like I think one before this was they had like a shark one and all kinds of stuff. So this looks like some sort of like cable prober thing.
So guys, you know what? You need to subscribe, because if you subscribe, you get cooler stuff like this. See, like me talking into a little microphone that makes me sound like a smurf.
So yes, tons of fun. Spring shoes. Hey, those are just motherboards. So yeah, so that's another reason why you should come out to Maker Faire, is that you do, not only do you get to experience the fair, you get to experience Exploration Place, which Exploration Place is a pretty darn awesome place to be at. So, in any case, definitely come check things out. I'll see you in the car. I'm gonna get loaded up. Oh boy, wow. Okay, so that was another successful Maker Faire. All right. Today wasn't quite as tiring as yesterday, but it was a lot more consistent today. It was just constantly people. I would only get maybe a little bit of break. So in a way, this day was a little more complex, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I wanted to get that ball thing. I wish that I could have got the little kid playing with it. If you notice that one deal with all the projectors and the white screens, that little ball that they have basically had the accelerometers in it, and wish I could have got that. But the other ones I got to show you, where you put your hand stand over the top of it and it does things. So that one was pretty cool. So, and also I hope you enjoyed the exhibit that I kind of blasted through real fast, but they have really cool stuff there. And then the knights and castle thing, there's so much stuff to explore there. It really is an awesome museum. So if you're ever in Wichita, Kansas, definitely check out Exploration Place. Definitely check it out during Maker Faire, so that way you get to see me. But also check it out anytime that you come passing through Kansas. It's a really cool museum to especially bring your kids to, because like I said, most museums want you to not touch anything, and this one's just like everything is hands-on. You want to mess with everything. There's some really cool exhibits, so definitely check it out. All right, guys, my voice is done. The sun is setting, as you can see by the shadowing on my face. So that's probably it. Definitely subscribe down below. Hit that like button if you like these videos. Also, press the bell so that way you get notified, because subscriptions really don't mean anything anymore on YouTube. So press the bell button so that way you get notified. Got some really cool stuff coming up. Got some more gaming platform things that we're going to be doing, as well as some home automation and all kinds of cool stuff. So with that, guys, I'm driving home. Tomorrow I am going to see Avengers Endgame, and I'm going to sit back, relax, and enjoy the theater. So you guys definitely go check out the cool maker stuff that is in your community. Check out any maker spaces you got, because it's fun, it's awesome, and definitely check out Maker Fairs. They're a blast to attend. Thank you, guys. We'll see you next time.